Hi, my name is Lito. The topic of our video: how to correct gray eyeliner tattoo and how to do cover up of old PMU eyeliner. Please like this video and watch this video till the end. Your client comes to a studio and asks to do the eyeliner brighter and wider, and your client asking to make color correction and to make it more blackish and brown. Then, first of all, what you have to discuss with your client is how bright she would like and how wide and big eyeliner should be. After that, you have to do mapping for the eyeliner and then apply numbing cream and start working with the PMU machine and needle. First of all, what you should do, you should do very soft tail and direction line. And you can do it like powder strokes and fix it. Then after that, you can continue working with the brown color on the eyelids. And when you coloring the eyelids, you should work in different directions and continue to color. After you finish to color the eyelids, after that you have to color the lash area, and you will continue working with the lash area with small movement and with the black color. When you finish your lash area, you have to do gradient and transition between the dark zone and medium zone. And you can add a little bit more pigment with the black color near the lashes area. And now you can see you have very good color correction of the eyeliner. Additionally, you can put some dots near the tail to improve the sketch. So let me show for you all details how I am working with the client and how I am doing color correction of old gray eyeliner. if you would like to learn the best PMU technique, how to correct old eyeliner or eyebrows or lips, or how to remove PMU, please sign up on my online courses. I will be very happy to teach you. You can find the links in the description below to this video, and also please follow me on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate if you put likes under this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.